Hey friends, welcome back to today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe before we dive in. Earlier I was analyzing the zones to open a trade, and I noticed a cycle forming on the higher time frame. It was getting ready to close and start a brand new cycle. Now, if you don't know what cycles are or how they close, make sure to drop a comment below so I'll know to make a full video explaining it for you. First, I spotted the 1, 2, 3 with the flag pattern and marked it. Then I saw a hook pattern that pushed the market into a strong rally upward. I waited for that higher time frame cycle to play out, and meanwhile I noticed another pattern lining up perfectly with the long zone I had in mind. So, I executed my strategy. But then a bearish hook appeared, exactly like I explained in my hook strategy video. Remember, for rallies and drops we usually need 2 hooks. So, I waited for price to reach my short zone, placed my trade, and it triggered beautifully. Now, just look at how cleanly the price is moving toward my target. After that heavy drop, I moved my stop loss to the first zone where the market pulled back since I had already taken my target from the market. I didn't want to take on any extra risk. And that's where my trade closed. I'm really happy you stayed with me all the way through. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. And let me know what kind of tutorials you'd like me to make for you next. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Okay.